Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine enjoying the previous videos. So guys, as you know, we started a series in which I teach you about how you can create a how you can learn different easy skills and sell this skill on Fiverr and other freelancing platforms and earn easy money. So in today's video I will teach you about how you can create flares, like flare design, how you can design flares and sell this skill on Fiverr and other freelancing platforms. But before we design this flares, we have to go to Fiverr and let's see if there is a demand of this skill or not. So I'm going to Fiverr. Fiverr is one of the best freelancing platforms where people sell their services. Here I search for flare design and business. 61,000 services available. We have to change like keyword. I write here Canva, and there are 55,000 available, and we can make this flare in Canva. So I click on this. He is a Fiverr choice, and in basic he charged $20, in standard he charged 35, and premium he charged $50. That's great. So as you see, there is a demand of this skill, but now we will move towards our designing part. So I'm going to Canva, and I'm used Canva for this. So let's here I write flare. I'm going to design a flare for a travel, like travel or like food. So I click on this and it gives me different templates. Now I have to choose a template and just change the details of the client, and that's it. So I like this one, but I want to change this text into red. It shows the appetite. Yeah, I am going to photos to change the image. Burger, pizza. I delete this one and this. I think it's look good. Yeah, it's look great. So if you want to change the background, you can also change it like in this way. It's also look good. Yeah, so you have to change like get that client's restaurant hotel name and change it here, get phone number of restaurant or website and change according to client's need. So that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn and earn through it. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.